Hi guys, welcome to this video. So today we're looking at simultaneous equations. Now this video was actually requested for by my Instagram, so if you don't follow my Instagram then go ahead and follow it because I regularly ask questions about what people would like to see. So someone suggested simultaneous equations and I thought it'd be best if we did an example of both linear and quadratic questions. So what I'm going to do is talk through a little bit about why they're useful and how to go about solving them. And then we're going to look at two exam questions. So simultaneous equations, basically they give us the solutions for when two lines or two curves or a curve and a line meet. So they give us the point of intersection. So that's why they're really useful. Now I've written out a little plan here of how to go about actually solving them. So most of the time you're going to be given two equations, in fact all of the time. Number them 1 and 2. Next, in one of them you should quite easily be able to make x or y the subject. Then all you've got to do is substitute that one you've just made the subject into the other one. This will become clear as we do a couple of examples. So let's have a look at the examples now. Right, so here's our first example, and it is a linear simultaneous equation. So we've got 2x minus 3y is 4 and 4x minus y is 13. So I always like to write them out again. Alright, 4x minus y equals 13. Following our plan, we're going to number them 1 and 2. Right, so in 2 we can easily make y the subject. So if we have 4x minus y is 13, that tells us that 4x equals y plus 13. And so y equals 4x minus 13. Okay, great. So we've got this value for y. Now what we're going to do with this is sub into 1. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's sub that into our equation 1 here. So we've got 2x minus 3y, but we know that y is 4x minus 13. Right, and this is equal to 4. So let's expand this out. So we're going to get 2x minus 12x plus 39 equals 4. Now let's simplify this up a bit. We've got a minus 10x plus 39 equals 4. So we have 10x equals 35. Okay, we can divide by 10 and this tells us that x equals 3.5. Now we're not done there. We found x, yes, but now we need to find y. To find y we can substitute into either equation. Right, so I'm now going to substitute this x equals 3.5 into equation 2. So I'll write that x equals 3.5 in 2. Right, so let's do that. Well, 4x is 4 lots of 3.5. Take away y equals 13. And so 4 lots of 3.5, well 2 lots of 3.5 is 7, so 4 lots of 3.5 is 14. So we have 14 minus y equals 13. And you should be able to see from there that y equals 1. So therefore, the solution to this simultaneous equation is x equals 3.5. And if you want, you can write this as 7 over 2. And y equals 1. So that's the solution to that one. Right, let's have a look at this quadratic simultaneous equation now. So we've got x squared plus y squared equals 34. And x minus y equals 2. So the first equation is actually a circle. It's a circle with center 0, 0 and radius root 34. Okay, let's go ahead and solve this. Right, this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now, from 2 we can easily see that x equals y plus 2, just by rearranging. And so we're going to substitute this into 1. As follows. Right, so if we know x is y plus 2, x squared is y plus 2 squared plus y squared equals 34. Right, we've got to expand this out, so we get y squared plus 4y plus 4 plus y squared equals 34. Tidying this up a bit, we get 2y squared plus 4y minus 30 equals 0. We can divide by 2 to get y squared plus 2y minus 15 equals 0. I'll just write divide by 2. Okay, and now can we factorize? So we need two things that multiply to give minus 15, and those same two things have to add to give plus 2. So hopefully you can see that this is y plus 5 times y minus 3. And if we just check, we get y squared plus 5y minus 3y minus 15. Okay, so this now tells us that y equals minus 5 and y equals 3. Good. Right, but we also know from earlier that x equals y plus 2. So to find the x values for these, so we'll put when y equals minus 5, x equals minus 5 plus 2, which equals minus 3. So there's our first complete solution. And when y equals 3, x equals 3 plus 2, which equals 5. And that is how to solve a quadratic simultaneous equation. So I'll put some link down to some more questions in the description. Hope you've enjoyed, give the video a like, and see you next time.